Hello everyone, today we want to talk a little bit about splitting up your agents. Now the purpose of this video is to help improve your stability and your speed when you're scraping. So what we'll cover is I want to show you a traditional method of building agents, which is pretty typical to see, and I want to also show you how to split up your agents. I also want to show you how to use jobs to improve your speed. So here we have an agent that's pretty common to see. It's clicking on electronics, and then within electronics it's clicking on the home theater and audio. After it clicks on that, it's going to click on the home theater systems, and then it's going to have the list of all of the items that are under that section. And then finally, I want to capture the item number and the price, and then possibly the name. There's nothing wrong with this agent and it'll work just fine. But when you start to scrape thousands of items, it could take a long time to run. Now, what I want to show you is how you can split this agent up, and rather than having 5 pages for the agent to go through, you can just have 1 or 2 pages. So what we could do is, if I wanted to capture all of the electronics, I could capture the URLs. So for example, I'm in the audio and I'm just capturing in this agent just the home theater systems. But what if I want to capture all of these items? My agent could take a long time. So what I can do is I can capture all the URLs within home theater systems and have that be one agent. I can then capture all the URLs underneath the home theater and audio accessories and have that be another agent. And I can repeat the process for all these categories. So going to this next page, I could go into each section and capture the URLs of the items. Then I can just capture the price and item number and the name like I initially wanted. Let me show you an agent that I've already built out where I'm loading the URLs that I've captured to scrape the items. Okay, here I have an agent where I've actually already captured the URLs and I have them in a data list. So here you can see all the URLs. I am then loading those URLs using a parameter within a load page. My parameter is %URL %, which is my column header. It will load each URL, loading the item, allowing me to scrape the price, the name, and the item number. What I can do is I can have multiple agents loading these URLs running at one time, which then allows me to scrape the whole website of electronics much faster. Let me also show you how you can use jobs to improve speed even more. Within my agent, I can go to the Jobs tab by clicking on Data and going to the drop-down Jobs. I can then create a new job. I can give it a title. We'll call this Index 1. Give it a parameter, which is my URL, which was my column header, and then I wanted to scrape my items 1 through 50, and then I'll click Add. I can then do another parameter value, type URL, and this time do 51 through 100, and click Add. Now my agent will scrape 1 through 50 and 51 through 100 at the same time, increasing my speed. If you have questions on concurrent jobs or your processing limits, please let us know and we would be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one.